Hello gamers, today welcome back to me trying to strip mine, but I can't seem to find anything. I found 2 diamonds and that is it. Oh god, why? So now I'm going to start another strip mine and see if I can find something. I've been mining for so long that I've decided that I'm suffering from malnutrition. I have not seen the sun for so long. I am now gaining a cough. Oh god, help. It's New Year's Eve, and all I'm trying to do is play Minecraft alone. So anyway, how is any of your day? Oh wait, I forgot. All of you are silenced. You cannot speak to me. Only I can speak to you. How does it feel to be so powerless? Oh, redstone. I can use that for XP levels. I actually made an enchanting table, but it vanished for absolutely no reason. This game is truly amazing. It's cold and dark in this cave, but for some reason I have night vision. My body has evolved to be able to see in the dark, but I don't know why. Oh no. I've been mining for a while, but I haven't found any diamonds yet. My neck is getting very, very painful because it feels pressured and because my neck is bent over. So that way I can speak to you guys in the mic very, very closely. I'm just gonna move my mic over here. And I'm still strip mining, but I have not found any diamonds. Oh god, why? This is... Oh, if you're wondering, the reason why I need diamonds is I promised a drug dealer that I'd pay him 400 Minecraft diamonds. That's totally an original joke, by the way. I'm gonna find those diamonds, even if it means I'll stay here for another year. So, you should subscribe, because if you don't, there's a small chance that your window will be broken at 3 a.m. and that window will be broken by a rock, and the rock will have a note strapped to it, and the note will say, pickles.